All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So more, more, more. To have extra, in addition to, more. Yes. We want more beads. They'll have more opportunities. We need more time. Do you need more space? Space. We get more we get a little more. We get more all the time. They want more time together. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? We counted more colours last time. Yes. More colours. Yeah. They think they need more water. Maybe. Yeah. I am writing more chapters in my book. I want to have more chapters in my book so it is bigger. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I want to record more videos today. Yes. How cool is that? He will have more chances in the future. Do you think they will have more time tomorrow? More time tomorrow to themselves? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah. But we all want more time and energy. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, more. More, more, more. So, can you use more in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.